How are people making money online without ads, followers, or even a website? Sounds crazy, right? Well, I actually found out how, and it blew my mind. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm talking about something that's shaking up the online income space, a hands on program that's helping complete beginners make real profits faster than ever. No fluff, no endless theory, just straight action and results. So here's the deal. Most online courses give you hours of lessons and zero help when you get stuck. This one's totally different. It's an exclusive mastermind where you get personal, one-on-one guidance from an 8-figure mentor who literally walks you through every step until you start earning. It's not about learning, it's about doing. You join, get direct access, and instead of being thrown a bunch of modules, you're shown exactly what to do. Setup? Done. Execution? Done together. It's designed to help you see real results, often in just a few days, and you don't need ads, email lists, or fancy tools. It's simple, fast, and genuinely beginner-friendly. People are loving it because it removes the guesswork. You get real-time mentorship, lifetime access, and a proven system that keeps running even when you log off. For anyone tired of fake promises and long courses that go nowhere, this feels like a breath of fresh air. I've personally tried countless money-making systems before, but this one stood out because of the accountability. You're not left alone. You've got a mentor making sure you succeed, and that changes everything. It's like having your own online business partner pushing you to win. If you're curious to see how this works and why people are calling it the shortcut to real online success, the link's in the description. Check it out before the spots fill up.